close till I get up.
So what I've done is to wash and cut up my chicken very small. When I'm doing my curry chicken, I like when the chicken is cut up small, but as you know, you can cut your chicken to your preference. So I'm just going to put some seasoning on it now and get started. So over here I'll be working with some curry powder, garlic, scallion, thyme, Irish potato, yeah, just a little. I'm going to use whole pimento and just a little bit of chicken seasoning. So guys, I am going to add a bit of chicken seasoning to my chicken and also some whole pimento, but I'm going to just put it in this little thing here and crush them out a little bit. So I added the pimento and that's pretty much what I'm gonna put on it, guys. I'm just going to burn the curry and the garlic and a bit of ginger. I don't put my curry on the chicken, I put it in the pot to burn, but I'm going to show you all of that. So what I done was just to put some whole pimento seeds and some chicken seasoning, and you can put whatever your choice, but I don't use a lot of powder seasoning when I'm cooking. So I am going to leave this for maybe half an hour to soak, and then I'm going to prepare my chicken. Yes guys, so what I'm going to do here is, well, I've got 2 cloves or 2 pegs of garlic and a little piece of ginger. I am going to fry that off in a little oil in my pot before I add my curry to burn. Okay guys, so I'm going to add my ginger and my garlic. I'm going to let that fry off a bit so the oil, well, the flavor can go in the oil, and with the ginger and the garlic, it does give it a really nice flavor, guys. Very nice flavor. So we just want it to fry enough so we get the flavor out, because we don't want our garlic to burn, because then that's gonna make it bitter. We just want to get the flavor out. So we're going to let that fry for maybe a minute before we add our curry. Yes, so I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of curry. It depends on how much chicken you're cooking, guys. So yes, this curry is very good, very rich. So I need 2 teaspoonfuls to do my chicken, because I'm doing a whole chicken, medium size. So we just want it to burn in the oil. Yeah, and after that, then I'm just going to add my chicken. So I make it burn for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I add my chicken, guys. Yes, and then I give him a little stir. Okay, so I am going to just cover the pot so it makes its own water before I add more water, so the flavor can go in the chicken from the curry that's burnt with the garlic and the ginger. Smelling so nice, guys. So I'm just gonna cover up my pot now. Yeah, cover him up and just let that cook for maybe 2 to 3 minutes before I add some boiling water to cook off the chicken. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put the water in now. Okay, then I'm gonna cover it up back. So we're checking in on our, so we're checking in now, guys. Yeah. Yeah, so it's almost cooked now. I'm gonna give that another 10 minutes before we add our seasoning. Another 10 minutes before we add our scallion thyme, our fresh seasoning. So here, guys, I've got some spring onions, some carrots, some Irish potato, and some thymes. I'm just going to put those in my pot now. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover him up back now. Let those seasoning cook for about 5 minutes. So guys, while that is cooking, I'm just gonna add just a little bit more chicken seasoning just to bring up the taste. Because I'm reducing the salt intake. Yes, guys, so that's almost done. Another 5 minutes and then our curry chicken will be ready. Yes, guys, so that's us ready. That's our curry chicken ready, guys. That's our curry chicken ready. It, guys, our curry chicken. So what I did was to serve it with some white rice and coleslaw and ripe plantains. Yes, guys, please leave a comment, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Take care now. See you in the next video.